Guys, so we're staying at Aria Hotel in Las Vegas, and I wanted to do a room tour for you guys. So let's take a look. So we're staying here 3 days. Actually we check out tomorrow, so don't mind the stuff everywhere, but just to give you an overview, this is the King Strip View. I did use the $20 trick, which I do have another video on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out with the $20 trip for Vegas. We got upgraded to the Strip View, which would normally be a bit more. So the room is really nice itself when you walk in. You have this beautiful lighting. We just came back from the pool, so don't mind me. So we have that. Then you have double sinks, which is nice. And then in here is the bathroom. Got a phone in case you need to make a phone call. And then this is so beautiful. Aria is very modern, it's very nice, updated. So you have a shower as well as a tub. So you get the best of both worlds. I really love the marble in there. And then when you come out here, this is really cool. Hi, babe. Do you want to show them what this is here? So right here you have the iPad, which controls room temperature. Will you close the blinds, hit the button, flip the switch. You have some ports here. That's a tablet charging port. We have this lights. So when you hit the switch, is it stuck? Oh no, it's coming. You can open the blinds with the touch of the iPad. And this is the Strip View. I got a cute little Vegas travel pillow for on the way back. They have some nice music stations you can listen to. But this right here is just amazing view. You have some nice storage, and here you actually have like a safe down here. Oh, there's a safe for your valuables, cash. The view is just incredible from the Strip View, and you can see the mountains, MGM. My other favorite resort or hotel is Planet Hollywood. We stayed there last time. I also have a room tour on my channel if you guys want to check that out as well. But yeah, it's really beautiful. It's definitely worth it to do the $20 trick. It's your first gamble, but usually you will get some sort of upgrade with it. So definitely recommend it. And also we saw a really awesome show, Xavier Mortimer's Magical Dream, which is at Bally's. And you can actually walk there. My friend actually stars in the show. I'll leave the link in the description, but you guys should definitely check it out. Xavier and Ali or Belle do a really awesome magic show. One of the best here in my opinion, but I might be biased just a little. But there's so much to do in Vegas. There's the tram. This actually takes you to the Crystal Shops as well as Bellagio and MGM, I believe. But yeah, pretty much over here is all MGM, M Life properties. And then Caesars is gonna be more on the other side, which we're going to Venetian tomorrow, so I will do a video for that. And you do have the fridge. Of course, these are all weighted, so if you pick them up, they're gonna charge the room. And here, I inquired about getting a fridge brought up to the room, and they said it was a $25 additional charge. So that's the only thing that kind of sucks. At Planet Hollywood, at least when I went 2 years ago, they allowed you to have your own fridge. It was like empty, it wasn't a weighted one. So that's my only con, I would say, for this room. But it's very modern hotel and very pretty. And then you have the full-length mirror, just in case you need it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this hotel. If you have stayed here, what are your thoughts? And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and tell me what you think. So I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.